Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday the 13th of March 2015. And starting off in the 5-minute chart, we can see that the pre-market session there, the market just trading sideways and hugging the 17,700 psychological level there. You can see just dipping below, coming back, and then eventually breaking above this. And then on the open of the afternoon session, we see professional buying coming into the market with some selling pressure, and then driving through the 7,800 level with further buying. But then in this bar, you can see there the volume's more or less 3/4 plus, well, probably about 98% of the previous bar. The range is narrower, and this forces the market back down. We see the market then go into a low volume trading area, which means that the selling has disappeared. And then we see the market in this particular bar. We see, again, this is the two bars we're talking about here. We can see that the volume is more or less the same as the previous bar, but the range is narrower, so some type of buying pressure coming into the market there. And then we see a potential PTP there. The market goes on to hit the scalp in this one. Trading just through this slightly. It's sort of late afternoon, going into the time when the traders will have gone off for lunch in New York. So again, you can see the market there drifting back down towards the 17,800 level there. We get a sell signal in between. Had you taken the sell signal, this would have resulted in a change from one side to the other. You can see there the entry price of 17,825, the stop of 17,832 there. So this mitigating some of the potential loss as the market reversed. So we'll just remove the sell there and just mark up the buy. And then you see the market eventually trading through to the 20-point scalp there, and eventually hitting it, coming back and having a break. So the 20-point scalp hit there, and then we've got the buy signal here again going straight through and trading all the way up until around 7 p.m. Let's have a look, see where we are. 7 p.m. is just around here. You certainly wouldn't want to trade this one as it's heading towards the close there. So the maximum available in this one is around, I'll just draw this in for you, put a stop loss in. So coming back down towards the low of the professional selling bar there, and then just draw that in. So the maximum available in this is around 30 points, give or take. Didn't quite make it up to the next psychological level of 17,900 there. So all in all, not too bad of a day, apart from the one loss there at late afternoon, early evening, just as the traders were starting to come back. But you can see there the market moving higher throughout the trading session. This is seen in the daily chart, the market not taking out the low of Wednesday, 17,622, but driving higher, as we see there. And what I would want to do now is to go from this point down to here, and you can see that the market is traded up to the 76% retracement area there. If the market goes through this today, all I will do is keep drawing these in from the next high to the left, and then move up to this one like so. So I've got all of these areas of potential resistance there where the market could actually stop. So you can see there's quite a cluster around this area, 76% and the 62% of 17,895. So 17,900, there is a bit of an issue there, but through there we're off to 17,933, 17,950 is the psychological level for this area. So we'll just save that and keep those there. On the news front today, we've got absolutely nothing until MPC member Haldane speaks at 3:15, and actually 2 p.m. Because the market's open at 1:30 now. So at 2 p.m. we do actually have the prelim UOM consumer sentiment, which is forecast to come out higher, and should it do so, then expect the market to continue higher. And the market seems to have gone back into its bullish phase after the recent retracement there. And finally, on the implied volatility front, 1443 yesterday, today 1339 for the implied volatility, so dropping back below the historical level there. That's the blue line shown on the chart. Right, that's it for me for this morning. That's also for this week. Let's hope we can end the week on a high note. I will see you in Monday's edition. Have a great weekend. As ever, thank you for your support. Very much appreciated. And as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.